In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use name tags in Instagram. So the first thing we're going to do is click in the right hand corner, the little icon that looks like a person. And then in the top right hand corner, we're going to click the three lines. And then just at the top option is name tag. So we'll click that. So this is our name tag. If we click at the background, you can see that the colors will change. So if you just want a simple look and you find a color that suits your needs, that's an option. If you want to try something a bit more interesting, at the top of the screen, if you click color, we now have emojis in the background, and if we click the background, we get to select all the different emojis that they have. So if you just clicked on this one, for example, it repeats the pattern on that one. This one's quite fun. But in this particular case, we're going to use the devil. That looks awesome. And then lastly, if you click emoji at the top, you have the option to take a selfie if you want, and then it puts some funny glasses on your face. But my personal opinion is that this is the best one. The devil one, definitely. So what would happen is, at the bottom, you have something that says scan a name tag. And what you do is you click the scan a name tag, then your camera would open. And if we just take a look and we try and find one from Google Images, look and see what happens. So it's just scanned it, and basically it says, oh, do you want to follow this person? So I can just click follow, and it says I'm now following them. Nice and easy. So that's what you can do with your own name tag. For more tutorials, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.